Oh, way they go, Empire Princess from the outside, rushing up Jaden. Apo Papato from the outside, time away, Alta's Choice moving up. In between runners is the favorite, and this one is Golden Balls. Empire Princess by ahead, followed by Golden Boss. Running down on the inside is Alta's Choice. Jeren, Apo, Papato, time away. Passing the last 500. Golden Boss by Hapolan, Alta's Choice. Empire Princess from the outside. Jeren, Apo, Papato, time away. As they race the final corner. The favorite Golden Boss. This time by Hapolan, followed by Alta's Choice by Dral. Jeren, Apo, Papato on the further outside. Golden Boss, Jaden, Apo, Papato is on the outside, but Golden Boss by Hapolan and Jaden, Apo, Papato, and finally, Golden Boss, Jaden, Apo, Papato, Jaden do go, Alta's Choice, Empire Princess, time away, Boardwalk.